Today I'm about to reveal my secret technique to being the ultimate elite with 2 threes gamer. Check this out.
Baby, my rave boy, we can have some fun. Dancing together till morning sun. My heart is racing if only you knew. I can't imagine my life without you.
Don't forget, gamers and lamers, to hit that motherfucking like button, comment, share, and subscribe! I'm gonna teach you pro gamers how to record your Wii gameplay without one of those, what do they call it? Capture cards, without one of those capture cards. So what you're gonna need is your Wii, some wires, VHS, DVD recorder, and some blank DVDs. So the first thing you do is make sure that your Wii is not plugged into your television, but the VHS or whatever this thing is connected to the television. Then you turn it around to the back. I might need a close-up over here. Okay, so can you see that? These little wire things? So make sure that in the input, can you see the inputs like specifically? Okay, so you see in these inputs, you put the Wii input, boop, boop, boop. And then you turn on your Wii, turn on your TV, and if it's connected to the correct channel with the video player or the DVD player, it should show up on the TV. See, there's the Wii gameplay, but it's not playing directly from the Wii, it's playing from the Wii to this thing, to the TV. And so from there, I think this is the remote that works. Maybe not. One of these Wiimotes worked. It'll take a moment, but this tends to work. So sometimes, that would explain it. It's working. Sometimes the remotes get a little out of sync, and this is normal. There we go. Which remote was it? Shoot. All right, maybe this one? Okay, this one's player 2, so which one's player 1? New remote settings, reconnect. Okay, remote it. Okay, so that's how we play. And then you, on your video cassette recorder or the DVD recorder, make sure that as soon as you start the game, you push record. And you want to be careful because most DVDs only have about 100 minutes that you can record onto them. So if you get too into the game, you might lose some footage by overplaying the DVD's record life. So that's something to keep in mind. So I like to wait till I actually start a game before I start hitting that record button. So I'm going to push the stop recording button. And when you stop recording, it tends to do this writing a disc thing. And I wouldn't recommend playing while it does that, because as soon as it gets to 100%, it's going to go over to your disc instead of your Wii gameplay. And if you're in the middle of the game, you won't be able to see anything. So let's give it a second. This usually takes less time. So now it's at 100%. So now it's writing to the disk. And voila, there's our Wii gameplay on the disk. And this is all of, right here is all of the amount of space that you've taken up that's on the disk. And so this is all of the space we have left. And so when you have all the space left, there's an option that's finalized, which I'm not going to do because I still have all the space left, and it's a pain to erase everything off the DVD to do it again. But there you go. But I know what you're thinking. What about those gamers that have their voices over the game, right? How do they do it? Well, I'm about to show you. Here we go. Things you'll need for this part are a karaoke machine with a microphone, another one of these funny little cables, the Wii, of course, your whatever recorder, and a cup. So, first things first, you turn your little thing around. Well, first things first, you gotta turn this on. So the karaoke machine is on, and then I take out the white and the red cords from the back of the video player, and then I turn the karaoke machine around, like so, and I put them into the aux-in place. You see how we can hear that coming out of this thing right here? That's good. And note that I also have this cord over in the aux-out. This part's very important so you get all your audio. You want to take these two cords and plug them in to the video cassette player, into the input option that you took the other two out of. Next, because I know a lot of video games besides the Wii use two hands, you kind of want to have your microphone set up so that you can use it without your hands. And so I set mine on a little table like so. Oh, and I'm going to unplug this, and I kind of hole in the top of the cup, right? So that I can take the microphone and put the cord through the hole. Sorry. Like that, you see? And I put the cup on the table. This will work. And you might need some tape to take the cup down, but this is just another pro gamer tactic. And then you record, you make sure that you plug it back into the karaoke machine. Let me get some tape. I think we have tape. Actually, I'll just get this stack of cards to make it heavier. Or I'll put the cards like right there. Okay, maybe if I put them like inside of it, it'll work. Okay. Oh, is that to balance it? Thank you. All right, there we go. So we have something there to make it work. Then you get your remote and make sure that after you hit the record thing, you hit VHR or whatever on this button, on this thing right here, and then you can continue playing away. No, the remote unplugged. Don't hit. Which was the one that was plugged in earlier? Shoot. Okay, so we were recording and my dad accidentally turned off the camera before you got to see my elite gamer moves, and I didn't notice this until a couple days later when I was editing. But unfortunately today's WrestleMania day and you can't pause WrestleMania day, so I'll just show you how to play Dance Dance Revolution. Oh, give me one. Oh shoot. I'll show you how to play Dance Dance Revolution on friendship mode with like a bunch of people by yourself with my current setup. If I try to dance on the carpet, it messes with my mat. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this setup and we're gonna move it, like all of it, like so. So we're still gonna use it, but I'm gonna put it somewhere else so that for a second, so I can move the road.
Where were you to hold my hand? Do the things that we had planned. Yes, I need you by my side when things go crazy. I just need to know you care. Guarantee that you
So, what those of you who have played Dance Dance Revolution Hottest Party 2 will know is that you can't play the game on friendship mode with one mat. So I have 1, 2, 3 mats that I'm going to set up and plug into the Wii. And then I have one GameCube controller so I can get the full squad. Here's the GameCube controller. It's right here. So if I plug all of these in, I can have like a full squad of homies, and then I can just only use the one mat. As long as I don't die, my squad stays alive. And that's how you can create the illusion of friendship.